Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. And first of all, guys, can we all turn and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello.
Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap, and close our eyes. And when we're ready, guys, we can open our eyes and come back to the room. And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And let's begin by stretching high to the sky. And then let's stretch down low. Touch our toes. And again, let's go up high. But this time, tippy toe high. High as we can. And then back down, touch our toes. Up one more time. And let's go side to side, gently, just to give our spines a stretch. And next, we'll go forwards and backwards. Forwards and backwards. And stop. Hands on hips. Give it a little wiggle. Stop. Wiggle forwards and backwards. Stop. Round and round. Back the other way. And to finish, we'll do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Sit down, please, guys. Okay, so can anybody tell me what we've been learning about in math recently?
Mass.
Excellent. That's right. We've been learning about mass, but in particular, word problems. So let's see, how do we spell mass? M-A-S-S. Mass. Okay, there's mass on the board. And how do we spell word problems? W-O-R-D. Problems. P-R-O-B-L-E-M-S. Mass word problems.
Mass word problems.
One more time. Mass word problems.
Mass word problems.
Okay, so let's do a mass word problem. Let's see. Okay. The teacher weighs 74 kilograms, 5 hectograms. One more time. The teacher weighs 74 kilograms, 5 hectograms. The student weighs. What does the student weigh? Somebody give me a weight. Shall we say 40? Let's say 40 kilograms. How many hectograms? Let's go lower. 3. Okay, so this line, the student weighs 40 kilograms, 3. How much heavier is the teacher than the student? Excellent. So this is our math word problems. And don't forget our question mark for the question. Okay, so who would like to come and work out this problem? I seen Prao's hand go up first. Okay, so Prao, come and join teacher at the front of class. What color would you like? We have blue, red or green?
Green.
Green. Okay, can you show your working out? So what do we need to do first, guys? We need to take the teacher's weight minus the student's weight, and then we'll have the difference. We'll know how much heavier. So 74 kilograms, 5 hectograms, minus
40 kilograms, 3 hectograms.
3 hectograms.
40 kilograms and 3 hectograms.
3 hectograms. Hg, hectograms. So what we need to do first, start with the smallest weight. Start with the hectograms. 5 minus 3 equals?
2.
But we're not finished yet. We need to do kilograms.
4.
Not keyed, not kh, kg, kilograms. 74 minus 40.
4 minus 0 equals 4. Equal 3. 34 kilograms, 2 hectograms.
Okay, so I will ask the question again. How much heavier is the teacher than the student? And our answer is, Prao?
34 kilograms, 2 hectograms.
Excellent. And how did we work out our mass word problem? We took the teacher's weight and we minus the student's weight to give us the difference. Okay? So, high five. Excellent. Round of applause for Prao. Shall we do one more?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do another mass word problem. Let's see. What colour shall I use?
Red.
Red. Mass word problem. Let's see. I know. A bag of sugar weighs. How much does the bag of sugar weigh? 7.
71.
That would be a big bag of sugar.
21.
How about
50.
5 kilograms? How many hectograms? 1.
2.
7. We'll use 7 this time. 7 hectograms. Okay, we need 3 bags this time. We have a bag of sugar. What next? Bampon. We have sugar. What should we have else? A bag of apples. Okay. A bag of... How do we spell apples? P-P-L-E-S. Weighs. How much does the bag of apples weigh? 15.
7 kilograms.
7 is more realistic. 7 is a big bag of apples. So say 7 and down, how many hectograms? Has to be less than 10 because 10 hectograms, 1 kilogram. 3 hectograms. Okay. Nadia, bag number 3. We have sugar. We have apples. What's in bag number 3? Bananas. Okay. A bag of bananas. How much does our bag of bananas weigh? How many kilograms first? 2. Bag of bananas, how many kilograms? 3. 3 kilograms, okay. 3 kilograms, how many hectograms? Big number. Less than 10, but higher than 5. 6. We'll use 6. We'll use 6. Sugar, apples, bananas. And the question, what? This time we'll use the word mass because we know mass and weight more or less the same. What is the total mass of the food? Sugar, apples, bananas. F-O-O-D. Or foods, you can say what is the total mass of the foods because more than one. Who would like to answer this one? I see Lakau's hand go up first. But we can all answer together. Lakau, what colour would you like? Blue. There's your blue pen. So where can we work out? Can you use this part of the board here? Okay. So can you show your working for our friends on camera? So what do we need to do first? 5 kilograms, 7. And what type of problem is this? Are we taking away like the last?
No.
We're
Adding.
addition. Excellent.
7 kilograms. 3 hectograms.
And then we also need to add 3.
Kilograms. 6 hectograms.
Okay, so what weight do we start with first? Do we do the kilograms or the hectograms first? Excellent. Always start with the smallest. So in this case, hectograms. So let's see, we have 7 plus 3,
Equal 10.
and then plus 6,
16.
16. So we need 6 and carry 1 kilo, because we have 1 kilo to carry.
16.
And then 5 kilograms,
16.
plus 7 kilograms, plus 3 kilograms,
And plus
and plus the 1 we carry over. Okay, so, Lakgao, what is the total mass of the foods?
16 kilograms, 6 hectograms.
Excellent. And in full sentence, can you say the total mass of the foods is?
16 kilograms, 6 hectograms.
Is that right, guys?
Yes.
Are we happy? Is that right? Okay, high five. Round of applause for Lakgao. So we hope you enjoyed the board demonstration of some maths word problems. And now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the TV screen because we have a video and a PowerPoint presentation so that we can learn more about some maths word problems. Okay guys, so all turn your chairs to have a look at the TV screen. And we'll begin with our video about, ready guys, the elephant maths song.
The elephant math song.
So let's all have a look and a listen to the song. I'm hard to push. I just won't budge. Elephant. I just grind down. Elephant. I'm hard to push, hard to lift. I just won't budge. Mass than a mouse, smaller mass than a house. I'm a big, heavy elephant. I'm hard to push, I'm hard to lift, I just won't budge. Than a mouse, smaller mass than a house, I'm a big, heavy elephant. Heavy elephant. I'm hard to push, I'm hard to lift, I just won't budge. More a mass than a mouse, smaller mass than a house. Heavy elephant. Word problem with maths. Example 1. Let's do these together. Sylvia weighs 50 kilograms, 5 hectograms. Sarah is 9 kilograms, 2 hectograms heavier than Sylvia. So, what is Sarah's mass? What do we need to do? We need to take Sylvia's weight or mass and then add the amount that Sarah is heavier by. So Sylvia weighs
50 kilograms, 5 hectograms.
And then if we add how much heavier Sarah is,
9 kilograms, 2 hectograms.
here we have the answer. So Sarah's weight is
59 kilograms, 7 hectograms.
You understand, guys?
Yes.
Very good. We take Sylvia's weight, we find out how much heavier Sarah is, and add them together. That gives us our answer. One more time. Sarah weighs 59 kilograms, 7 hectograms. Okay, now we'll go shopping. Or we'll go shopping with John. John buys 2 kilograms,
2 kilograms,
300 grams
300 grams
of pork.
of pork.
He used
He used
9 keys
9 keys
to cook his lunch.
to cook his lunch.
So how much of the pork is left?
How much of the pork is left?
So what we need to do, John, he buys 23 keys of pork because 2 kilograms and 300 grams equals how many keys?
23 keys.
Excellent, excellent. How many keys did he use for his lunch?
9 keys of pork.
So 23 minus 9,
Equal 14 keys.
14 keys of pork left. Excellent, guys. You understand? John buys 23 keys of pork. But then, for his lunch, he must have had a big lunch. He used 9 keys. So how much keys of pork left?
14 keys.
14 keys. Excellent. And here you can see in a simpler term. Ready all together? John buys
John buys
23 keys
23 keys
of pork.
of pork.
He uses
He uses
9 keys
9 keys
of pork.
of pork.
He has
He has
14 keys
14 keys
of pork left.
of pork left.
Yes. 23 minus 9, 14. Okay, let's do one more word problem. Example number 2. These are Roman, it looks like 11. These are Roman numerals. This means 2. Okay, what do we have here? Ready? The bag
The bag
of fruits
of fruits
and vegetables
and vegetables
weight
with
3,200 grams.
200 grams.
The bag of grain
The bag of grain
weighs
with
40 hectograms.
40 hectograms.
So first of all, we need to figure out how many hectograms. 3,200 grams. 100 grams, 1 hectogram. So 3,200 grams, how many hectograms?
32 hectograms.
32. So which is heavier? The bag of fruits, which weighs 32 hectograms, or the bag of grain, 40 hectograms.
40 hectograms.
Excellent. The bag of grain. And what is the difference between them? How do we work out the difference? Remember our board exercise? We take the biggest and we take the smallest away from the biggest. So the bag of fruits, how much does the bag of fruit weigh?
32 hectograms.
Bag of grain,
40 hectograms.
which is bigger?
40 hectograms.
So 40 hectogram minus 32 hectograms.
Equal 8 hectograms.
So ready? What is the difference
What is the difference
between them?
between them?
The difference
The difference
between them
between them
is
is
8 hectograms.
8 hectograms.
Excellent, guys. Any questions?
No.
Well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the video and the PowerPoint presentation to better understand about maths and some of the word problems and how to work them out. And now, time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up, please, guys. Push in your chairs. This time, let's begin. We'll rotate our wrists. And then go back. And I'll give our hands a shake, arms and hands a shake. Hands on hips. Roll our shoulders. And now, can we go back the other way? Stand up straight. Hands in the air. Hands down. Hands up. Turn around. Let's go back the other way. Hands on hips. Hands on knees. Down into a little ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and jump! And to finish, 5 claps. 1, 2. Excellent, guys. Please sit down. So now it's time for a student to do a, ready guys? Maths. Okay, so do I have a volunteer? Dan, would you like to come forward and show us your maths word problem? What colour would you like?
Red.
Red. Okay. So what is your maths word problem going to be about? Animals. Okay, so let's see your first animal. You can say A. A. But what animal? We need the name of the animal. Dog. D-O-G. A dog weighs. How do we spell weighs? Do we remember? W-E-I-G-H-S. A dog weighs how many kilograms? 5 kilograms, okay. And how many hectograms?
2 hectograms.
So altogether, guys, a dog weighs 5 kilograms, 2 hectograms. What's your next animal? A cat, okay. H S. A cat weighs how many kilograms? 3 kilograms. How many hectograms? 1 hectogram. Okay, so Dan, what would you like us to do? Shall we add together or shall we see the difference? What would you like to do? Okay, a mouse. We're having a third animal. A mouse. M O U S E. Weighs G H S. Now don't forget, mouse very little, so I think,
1 kilogram.
and maybe
0 hectograms.
yeah, 0 hectograms. So now time for our question. What W what is the total T O T A L? Total. What is the total? And this time we'll say mass because we're learning about mass. M A. What is the total mass of OF? The animals. A N I N. This one N I M A L S. Question mark. Okay, so all together. A dog weighs 5 kilograms, 2 hectograms. A cat weighs 3 kilograms, 1 hectogram. A mouse weighs 1 kilogram, 0 hectograms. What is the total mass of the animals? Dan, over to you. Can you work out your total weight?
5 kilograms, 2 hectograms.
5 kilograms, 2 hectograms. Then 3 kilograms,
1 hectogram. 1 kilogram.
kg, 0 hectograms. So which weight do we need to work out first? Kilograms or hectograms?
Hectogram.
Excellent. Always start with the smallest first.
Plus
2 plus 1 plus 0. 3 hectograms.
3
Hg.
plus 1 equals 9.
5 plus 3.
Plus 1 equals 9. Kilogram.
So down. What is the total mass of the animals? You will say the total mass of the animals is
9 kilograms, 3 hectograms.
excellent. High five. Round of applause for down. And round of applause for everybody for working out well. Okay, now it's time for our worksheet activity. So teachers, what you'll need to do is to print out the worksheet, one for every student. Your students have to read each of the 4 questions, which are, ready guys? Math, word, problems. They have spaces to do their workings out, and you can ask them to provide the answer to each question in the spaces below, and to show their working out too. Give your students around 10 minutes for this activity, because there are 4 questions, so I think they'll need a few minutes for each question. Any problems, any questions, assist your students. That's what you're there for. 5 hectograms minus 1 hectogram. 80 kilograms minus 50 kilograms.
20. Equal 30 kilograms. This is 41.
Okay, so let's see. The bag of fruits and vegetables weight 4,100 grams. How many hectograms can we make? Remember, 100 grams.
41
Hectograms. To find out which is heavier, we need to convert. No, which is heavier? 41 hectograms or 80 hectograms? Excellent, Lakgao. The final one, which is heavier? 80 hectograms or 41 hectograms?
41.
Is 80 more than 41?
Yes.
Yes, so which is heavier?
80. This is it. $30.
30, not 130. Excellent, Nadia, well done. What we need to do, the bag of grain weighs 80 hectograms. How many hectograms is 4,100 grams? 41. So which is heavier? 41 hectograms or 80 hectograms?
80.
And that's our answer. For number 4, we're not adding or taking away. We're finding out which weighs the most. So we need to convert 4,100 grams into hectograms. Yes. Your answer okay. So the bag of grain weighs 80 hectograms. Which is heavier, 80 hectograms or 41 hectograms? 80 hectograms is heavier. Yes. We'll do together. How many grams?
41.
4,100 grams. How many hectograms does that equal?
41.
Which is heavier? Which is the bigger number? 41 or 80? So our answer for number 4, 80 hectograms. Yes. It's not addition or subtraction, number 4. You just need to convert your grams into hectograms to see which is the biggest number. No, you see, it's not addition, it's not subtraction. Which is heavier? You need to compare. 80 hectograms, which is heavier, 80 hectograms or 41 hectograms?
80 hectograms.
Excellent. That's your answer. It's as simple as that. You don't need to work out. Just need to work out which is the bigger number. Okay, Pat? Let's see. Okay, very good.
Show it.
Excellent. That's our answer for number 4. Excellent, Dan. So, number 1, what is Sarah's mass? Sarah's mass, 68 kilograms, 7 hectograms. Number 2, what is Susan's mass? 40. Well, number 2, what is Susan's mass?
40 46 kilograms, 5 hectograms.
46 kilograms, 5 hectograms. Okay? And number 3, how much heavier is Megan than Susan? For number 3, we take 80 kilograms, 5 hectograms, and we minus 50 kilograms, 1 hectogram. How much heavier? 30 kilograms, 4 hectograms. And the final one, which is heavier? 80 hectograms is heavier than 41 hectograms. Okay, guys, so if you're finished, I'll collect your worksheet. Okay. Thank you, Nadia. Down. Thank you. Okay, so that's the end of the lesson. We hope your students had fun working out the various maths word problems and also found it interesting too. So we'll see you again in the next lesson. Can we all turn and say a big farewell to our friends on camera? Bye bye.